In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to restore a Samsung SCH U540 cell phone to factory settings. Okay. Go to menu. Go to phone settings. Okay. Go to security. Okay. Now enter the last 4 digits of your phone number. Now go to OK. Now go to reset settings. Okay. Go to yes. Okay. And there you go, the phone has been restored to factory settings. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.